This is AIX, your daily dose of AI news.
This isn't just a machine, it's AI with a death wish. What takes humans days and helicopters to navigate? This robot does in seconds. Humans need ramps, safety nets, prayers. But AI, it calculates mid-air. Old robots? They'd sink in snow. Cost? $200K. Crews? A small army. But DeepRobotics Lynx? It doesn't just survive winter, it thrives. Watch its AI brain map terrain faster than a ski patrol helicopter. That's a 30-foot drop. No pilot, no luck. Just AI predicting gravity. Resorts pay thousands for slope crews. This AI does it while teaching itself new tricks? Next season, this AI could be rescuing you or beating Olympians at their own game. This isn't just a robot, it's winter's final boss. Last month, you saw it leap off skyscrapers and haul 40 keys like it was a warm-up. Now, it's rewiring winter itself, turning impossible into routine. Smash like if you like this AI. Subscribe before it starts grading your snowplow turns.